Hey guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom role on the Discord. So you want to go ahead and find your Discord server guys, right click on it and go down to where it says server settings and hover over that and you will find a section that says roles. So click on the roles guys, and from here you will see that you can create your own roles so that you can organize your members, right? So all you have to do is just simply click on the role, and from here you can give your role a name. So let's say I want to call this role gamers. Let's say that's what I want to call it, right? And yeah, you can go ahead and just leave it as the solid or whatever, right? You can go ahead, scroll through, you can give it colors and all those good stuff. So I'm going to give this color here. Keep in mind that if you want to go ahead and add those images, you will have to have, let's say, to unlock the boosting option, right, for this card. So you just need to go ahead and go through and see what you can add for the free. If you want to upgrade, you upgrade, right? Or if you want to unlock the boosting so that you can basically make all of those custom setups, right? So here you also have the option to display role members separately from their online members. So you can go ahead and you can toggle it if you so desire as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Allow anyone to add at the role, so you can turn it on as well. So if you create the role, you can say at gamers or at whatever, you know what I mean? You can easily do something like that. And yeah, once you're finished, just go ahead and scroll down and just say okay, save, and that's it. It's going to quickly create a role for you, and that's it. The role will be created and you will see here that the role is created. So here you have add everyone, but you also add gamers. If you go back, you will see that that specific role is now created, and from here you can go ahead and you can invite those members. So here it says right now there is no members, but I can add members there. So for example, I want to add a Drew tutorial. I can go ahead and I can start to type in the Drew tuts or whatever it is that I have. Those friends that I have, I can easily go ahead and search for them, right? So you can go ahead and search. I can add them, I can invite them, wherever. You can easily search for the friends and add them here in this. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.